A new productivity monster similar to the MX Master series, but this thing doubles as a gaming mouse. This is the Keychron M6. It's right-handed ergo designed. It has an infinity slash tactile scroll wheel with tilt functionality and a side wheel, ideal for productive workflow. They use the flagship sensor PixAR3395 up to 26,000 dpi, 1000 Hz polling rate through USB and 2.4 GHz mode, and 125 Hz via Bluetooth 5.1, 650 IPS of tracking. Also, it can handle 50 Gs of acceleration. They used 1 micro switches, rated for 80 million clicks. 1 or 2 mm of lift up distance. Battery here is 800 mAh. That will last 80 hours. Body made out of ABS, feet made out of Teflon or PTFE. All of this weighing only 78 grams and priced at 49 USD only. A real combo for work and gaming. A sub is also affordable as the Keychron M6.